Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to send money from Wise to bank account Philippines. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So what we need to do here is we need to first access our Wise account. So go to wise.com, log in into your account, and from here, we need to start sending our money. Now typically what we need to do is we need to look for the send option here, which is usually on the home page. Now, in this case, there are actually two ways for you to send money here. So first, if you don't want to hassle yourself on adding a recipient every time, you could actually go to the recipients tab here at the left side here, click on add recipient, and from here, what we need to do is we just need to choose the currency. In this case, we could choose a peso here, and from here, click on someone else or yourself here, and from here, just need to indicate the email, and from here, choose the local bank account here. In this case, you need to indicate the full name of the account holder, the bank name for it. So in this case, choose the correct bank here. So if they are using BPI, make sure to choose BPI or BDO. Now in this case, you could also choose the country here. So in this case, make sure that you choose Philippines here, since this is where we'll be sending. Now in this case, indicate the city, recipient address, and postcode, and hit on confirm to save your recipient. Now once you've done that, you could go ahead and go back to home here and click on the send option. Now in this case, we just need to fulfill or indicate all the necessary details here. Like for example, maybe I want to send 1,000 USD here, which is roughly around 55,000 Philippine peso. In this case, just click on continue. Now from here, we need to choose our recipient. So if you already have a recipient, go ahead and click on that recipient. And if you don't have it yet, go ahead and click on add recipient. Now from here, you need to actually verify your account here. So you need to scan a QR code here, send a link by email. So in this case, you just need to complete that and review your transaction. And finally, you just need to pay for a transaction here. In this case, you might need to provide your card and some other details. But in this case, once you fulfill all the details and store the details and completed it, you should be able to send your money from Wise to an account or bank account in the Philippines. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.